We are at the JDD conference in Krakow, and my guest is Pablo Barros from Oracle. Hello, Pablo.
Hey, how's it going?
Pablo, could you please tell briefly what do you do exactly in Oracle?
Okay, I'm an applications architect for the Taleo Business Edition product. We were acquired by Oracle a couple of years ago. I kind of oversee the architecture efforts for the future of the platform, the Taleo Business Edition.
Mm-hmm. And you are a JDD speaker. Why have you decided to join us this year?
JDD is awesome. It's my second time here. I had the privilege also speaking last year. Coming back, we also have a development team here in Krakow. Mm-hmm. So when I come out, I try to kind of coordinate between JDD and getting to see the guys here. So it's always a pleasure.
Mm-hmm. So what's the best part about JDD?
I think everyone is, that's the impression I get here in Krakow, usually in the market, is that everyone is really eager to learn more and become very good at what they do. So I think the conversations and different people here, it's really a nice ecosystem of, architects and engineers and all around. So it's pretty cool atmosphere.
Mm-hmm. You have planned 2 lectures for JDD, for this current edition of JDD. What were you and what will you be speaking about?
So yeah, this morning I spoke about static code analysis and architecture, the fact that we don't do enough of that. Mm-hmm. So kind of providing some visibility of what kind of tools are available for that. So that kind of got a good crowd this morning. So it seems like good conversations on that.
Any questions from the audience?
Yeah, we got a few questions there, and actually got meet a couple people that have been doing some pretty cool stuff on that. So and tomorrow I'm doing the multi-tenant search. Which is really what kind of things we need to consider whenever we're doing multi-tenancy and search at the same time, and kind of leveraging some of the patterns and things that are available. So.
Okay. And is there any specific lecture in JDD agenda that you would highly recommend this year?
Yeah, I think when I think about that, I think the architecture kata from Atomic, that's pretty interesting. I think I got a glimpse of a description of what it is, and I think it's something that everyone can benefit from that. So,
and I know that you are a big fan of Agile, and what's the best part of it?
I think Agile, it really just brings everyone to the conversation. So it brings the awareness of different, not only developers, but QA and product and even management. They really get a real-time view of where things are. And I think that's priceless. That's built in the system, and it makes everything very transparent. So cool with that. Okay.
So if you met some young student, why should he or she study Java or learn Java?
Yeah, I think Java is still here to stay. It's not going anywhere. There's some huge improvements coming out of Oracle and newer versions of Java. But there's all other languages that are coming up that are very interesting too. So I think Java should be one of the languages that people learn, and it gets the job done.
Okay, thank you a lot for this short conversation.
Cool.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Pablo Barros was our guest. Thank you.